Welcome back to Team ABHIYANTRAN. Today, we'll guide you on creating an impactful video for your Smart India Hackathon submission. This year, SIH requires a video submission alongside your PPT. Let's dive into the essential elements for your video. First, where should you upload your video? Use the text box on the submission panel to paste your video link from a reliable platform. The recommended duration for the video is between 4 to 7 minutes. This time frame is optimal for showcasing your project. One key aspect of your video is demonstrating your working prototype. Show how your solution works in real time. Include an explanation of the data flow within your model. This shows how data moves and is processed in your system. Cover the future scope of your project. Explain how your solution can be scaled or evolved over time. Mention every component used in your project and describe their functioning. This helps viewers understand the mechanics. Include a transcript and subtitles for accessibility. This ensures clarity in communication for all viewers. Ensure smooth transitions between sections. Avoid abrupt cuts or jerky edits that may distract from your content. Avoid featuring team members as the focal point. Focus on the project instead. It's your solution that will be judged. Do not use AI-generated videos. SIH requires authentic, human-generated content that reflects your true efforts. To summarize, ensure your video is 4 to 7 minutes long, highlight your prototype, and include subtitles. Good luck with your submission. Don't forget to submit your video link in the designated text box. Subscribe to us and follow at thoughtsrevoked.com. We'll soon do an Ask Us Anything, so prepare your questions.